If you're looking for a simple way to make money from home, you can make up to $300 a day. I welcome you here. Want you to stick tuned, get to the end so you can take action on my pro bonus that I'm giving out for the week. And let's jump right into it. If you're new to affiliate marketing, or even if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, I have a pro affiliate bonus that I'm throwing out today. It is a $140 value when you join with me with Affinity Processing System. What it is a digital products, and they give you pre-written ads to place on social media to draw attention to you and your opportunity, so you can make $300 a day. Like Melissa Jones here in the proof group, she says the $300 commission just came through while sitting, all thanks to this amazing program. If you're still unsure about joining, don't hesitate. Reach out to the person who invited you here. Remember, nothing happens if you don't take action. Congratulations to you, Melissa, for making $300 with this system. What it is direct sales, member to member sales. So when somebody join with you, you get paid directly to you. Let me load this up here real quick. As you can see, Michael Smith says IPS works. Friends, stay hungry, where he made a $600 payday using this system, and how it is all set up to where you get training in the background. So you get a branded web page to you. They teach you how to set your Facebook page up for success. You got all kinds of guidance in the background with the training. You got a coaching group. You'll also have ongoing reinsurance with me. So that way, if you have any questions about IPS, I'm going to be there to be able to answer those questions for you. If we can't answer the questions, we're going to figure them out together. But this is a very good way to start learning how to establish yourself online as an affiliate marketer. Look at Farrah Jones. Johnson says, my 2023 success with IPS. For anybody here scrolling, it's real. Let's go, IPS family. You can see here, she's made multiple $300 days, and within 1 week, on the 4th of 300, the 5th of 300, on the 6th of 300, on the 7th of 300, she had a $1,200 day using the system and the training in the background. Now we want to go over the pro affiliate bonus with you. If you want to get started with this and take action today and start making $300 a day with the system, I'm going to pay for your branded website, which is $39. I'm going to give you my 30-day email follow-up, and the system also has a 30 email follow-up. So that's 60 email follow-up days of email follow-up to go out to your prospect. You're going to get my ongoing support. I'm going to have my Facebook link down in the description, so that way you'll be able to get with me. And I'm going to pay for 200 targeted visitors to your website through using solo ads. And as you can see, that's a $101 value right there. I'm going to pay for that to get 200 targeted leads to your website. That all comes to a $140 value, if you can see the value in that package. Now, if you want to get started with me, the link is in the bottom in the description. My Facebook link is in the description. Send me a friend request. Get with me on Facebook. Let's have a chat. I love talking with people. I love talking about how inspiring people who want to get started with affiliate marketing. This is the best way I know to go. I've been through a lot of programs. I've been through a lot of marketing trainings, and IPS is the best that I found today. And as you can see, other people are actually having success with the using the system. So how you get started, excuse me, I had a little itch right there, but how you're going to get started, you're going to go to the link in the description. You're going to join the pro level, where you're going to unlock your back office, where you're going to get all the training, all the resources, and the marketing images and ads that help you get started. And third, you want to look for my emails, because you're going to get an email follow-up from me. Look in your promotional tabs, your update tabs. Make sure you move me over to your primary folder, because I'm going to continue to send you emails. And this is the way you're going to get your website paid. And I'm going to send you other resources that continue helping you on your marketing journey. Free resources. Some resources you have to pay for, but they're all entitled to help you have a successful business and get started in the online field and see some type of results. That's why I want to help you get. Why would I give you that type of bonus? Why would I give that type of why would I give this out? Because I wish someone gave me a handout. And this is my way to give a handout to those who really want to get into affiliate marketing. So click the links in the bottom. Let's get going. Contact with me. I'm Corey Norris. I told you I'm not gonna hold you up too long. But if you want to get started with me as a pro affiliate, go ahead, click the link, get the description in the bottom, watch the free 8-minute video, read through all the content that's inside of the website, get started at the pro level, and look for my emails inside your email folder. Move me over to primary, so that way you continue to get all the follow-ups with me, extra training, extra bonuses. So I want to make sure that you have some success and see some movement when you get started in this business with me. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side, and let's get going. I'll see you guys later.